everyone. In this video, let's talk about the SQL subqueries. So, what is subquery? So, it's a query within another SQL query. So, let's think of it like a smaller search inside a bigger search. Okay, when you want to fetch a specific information which is depending on the result of another query, and you use a subquery. So it's like solving a puzzle. Sometimes you need to find out one piece first before you can complete the whole picture. So let's same thing here. Subqueries helps to break down the complex questions into the simple steps, making it easier to manage and understand your data. So let's dive in and see how subqueries work in a practical. So we have two tables. Create table customer, insert records into the customer, create table orders and insert into orders table. So let's create this. Let's execute the query. Yeah. And whenever we are dealing with the two tables, there should be a matching column between both the table. Okay. So here we have a customer ID and here also we have a customer ID. Both are the matching columns from both the tables. Okay. Now select star from orders from this table where amount AMT, where amount AMT is equals to, okay, I want to fetch only those record where there is a minimum amount value from the orders table. So select minimum from minimum amount from orders. So here is my subquery. So we have this query acting as my main query, and this is a subquery. It's an inner query. So basically, inner query will be executed first. Whatever the result I'm getting from that query will be passed to the main query here. So select the minimum amount from orders. This query will be executed first. Whatever the record, whatever the result I'm getting from that, that will be my input to my main query. So let's execute and check. I'm getting only the one record where there is a minimum amount value. And you can check 1000, 3900, 2000, 2000 and 100. And the minimum value is 100. Yeah, the same way we can go for the average. Select star from orders where amount is greater than select average amount value from orders. So this is working with only one table. We can perform a subquery working with one or two tables. And you can check here, I'm getting only those record where the amount is greater than average amount value. So first this query will be executed, whatever the record we are getting from that average amount value and that. And here it is as a result, it is giving me only those record where there is amount greater than average amount value. Let's see how to work with the two tables. Select star from customers where select only those record from the customer where the amount is or the customer ID is where customer ID in select customer ID from orders. So here in inner query or in a subquery, we can have only one column. Either we can have any aggregate functions or either we can have only a single column mentioned. So select customer ID from orders and the main query is select star from customers where customer ID in whatever the result I'm getting from that. Here you can see the output. I'm getting only those record from the customers table where the customer ID is in customer ID from orders table.